Today, we're going to dive into a lucrative and new way of making money with AI. We're going to dive deep into a comprehensive guide that reveals the secrets to earning up to $6,000 per month by creating animated learning videos for children. You are watching AI Money Magnets, the place where you learn how to make money using AI. Get ready for an exciting journey, and without further delay, let's get started. Consider this YouTube channel, Kids Song and Nursery Rhymes by RV App Studios. It's raking in an impressive amount of revenue each month by producing straightforward, yet captivating, learning videos for children. At first glance, you'll notice these videos are remarkably basic, devoid of intricate animations. Yet, they magnetize millions of viewers to the channel month after month. If we take a peek at the channel's performance on Social Blade, we see a staggering base of over 800,000 subscribers. Even more mind-boggling is their estimated monthly earnings, which fluctuate between an astounding $6,000 to $9,000. Having glimpsed the remarkable potential for earnings in this arena, we're now going to illuminate how you can replicate this success by creating similar videos and transforming them into profitable ventures. Our initial step in this journey is constructing a script for our video. But don't fret, there's no need to scratch your head over writing it yourself or spending money to hire a scriptwriter. Our tool of choice for generating our script will be the renowned ChatGPT. Simply navigate your way to ChatGPT. If you haven't already, set up an account. It's free and won't take more than a few moments. Once your account is ready, log in and you're all set. Our aim today is to create a captivating video about various animals inhabiting the forest. Should you not have a concrete video idea at your disposal, ChatGPT comes to the rescue. You can simply prompt it to propose various video concepts suitable for a children's YouTube channel. Within moments, ChatGPT will churn out a plethora of exciting ideas, allowing you to cherry-pick your favorite. Let's now task ChatGPT with the creation of a learning-centric script featuring the diverse wildlife of a forest. In the blink of an eye, the chatbot will conjure up a captivating script for us. Once ready, simply copy and paste the script into your preferred text editing platform, a note or a Word document, for example. Don't hesitate to be discerning. If ChatGPT's output doesn't strike the right chord, feel free to request a do-over as many times as you need until you secure the perfect script. Remember, specificity and detail in your prompt go a long way toward shaping the end result, ensuring an engaging and enriching script for your audience. With our captivating script in hand, we're ready to advance to the next exciting phase, generating our engaging voiceover. For this, we'll harness the capabilities of an AI tool called ElevenLabs. This AI voice generator flawlessly converts text to speech that echoes a genuine human voice. Here's how it works. Make your way over to the ElevenLabs website and click on Sign Up to create your complimentary account. Once your account is set up, you'll be whisked off to the speech synthesis page. In the text field, copy and paste the first chunk of your ChatGPT crafted script. Scroll down to the audio model section next, where you'll pick the voice that will breathe life into your text. One standout feature of ElevenLabs is its incredible ability to mimic your own voice, bringing a personalized touch to your voiceover. So if you're inclined to lend your own voice to the project, ElevenLabs has you covered. Next, hit the Generate button to transmute your text into speech. You can utilize the Preview button to listen to the voiceover prior to downloading, ensuring the result aligns with your vision. Once you're satisfied, simply hit Download and the audio file will be saved onto your computer. Continue this process until you've transformed all sections of your script into captivating audio. For the animation phase, we will utilize Adobe Express, a freely accessible animation tool. Establishing an account is a breeze and should only take a couple of minutes. Once you have entered Adobe Express, navigate downwards and select Make Animation for YouTube. Considering our audience consists of children, opt for a character that's humorous and entertaining. This will enhance their engagement level. Once you've identified a character that sparks curiosity, modify the background to a color of your choice. Adjust the video size to fit the YouTube format. At this point, you can upload your first audio clip or simply drag and drop it into the indicated area. Bear in mind that Adobe Express might take a few moments to concoct the animated character paired with our audio. Upon completion of the generation phase, proceed by clicking Download to secure the video file. After you have successfully downloaded the video, return to the editing screen by clicking Back to Editing. Subsequently, opt for Replace Audio. Choose your character, modify the background if deemed necessary, and proceed to upload your second audio segment. This sequence should be repeated for all remaining audio segments. In this next phase, we'll leverage a widely known design tool called Canva to produce animated sequences for our video. Upon launching Canva, opt for YouTube Video, which will navigate you to a blank canvas. At this point, it's time to upload all the animated videos we have crafted using Adobe Express. After completing the upload, click Elements and search for Forest Background. Choose a fitting backdrop image and align it to your video's dimensions. Following this, synchronize the duration of the video with the length of the animated content you previously crafted. For example, if your initial video lasted for approximately 19.7 seconds, adjust the timeline to 20 seconds to achieve flawless alignment in the final editing stage. Returning to the Elements section, we'll incorporate some animated trees to augment the visual appeal of our video. Feel free to incorporate additional elements that amplify the forest theme. Once you're satisfied with the overall look, proceed to download the enriched background image. Following this, revisit the script that you had copied from ChatGPT and identify the first animal mentioned by the AI. Then, circle back to Canva. Use the Elements section to search for the specified animal and integrate an appropriate image into the background. Also, remember to adjust its size for optimal visual harmony. The next part of our journey is where the magic truly begins, as we bring our creatures to life with animation. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the Animate button and opt for Create an Animation. Drag your chosen animal to the desired location and watch as it comes alive, moving about in the forest backdrop. Upon achieving your desired outcome, proceed to download the video. Following this, remove the first animal from the frame and introduce the second one as per the sequence in your script. Adhere to this process for each of the animals listed in your script, downloading the individual videos as you go. Now that we have all the pieces of our video puzzle ready, it's time to assemble them in the final editing stage. For this step, we will turn to Wondershare Filmora, an AI-enhanced video editing tool. Start by importing all the animated and background videos into the software. Place the first background video in Video Layer 1 and the first animated video in Video Layer 2. Navigate to Video Layer 2 and activate the Chroma Key function within your editing software. With all elements now in place, the next step is to sync the animated character with the background. Adjust the character's position to match the scenery. Additionally, you'll want to align the duration of the background layer with that of the animated layer. This same procedure should be followed for all subsequent animated videos. When you've finished editing, hit the Export button to finalize your video. Just like that, you've generated a complete animated video solely utilizing AI tools. This video creation process is exceptionally straightforward and can be adapted to create educational videos across a variety of subjects. Following the creation of our video, the final aspect we'll discuss today is the various ways you can monetize these creations. There are numerous rewarding avenues to earn from children's educational content, with one of the most effective being the sale of children's ebooks. You may be thinking, doesn't that sound rather complex? In reality, it's not. Using AI text-to-image generators such as Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E 2, you can independently create an engaging children's learning ebook from scratch. Parents typically invest substantially in providing their children with a robust educational foundation. As such, you can produce these books and promote them within your videos, providing a lucrative additional revenue stream. In case you're seeking a detailed step-by-step walkthrough on how to construct a captivating children's ebook, do not hesitate to explore the video linked in the top right corner of your screen. If the prospect of creating your own ebook seems daunting, there's an alternative approach. Promote someone else's product through affiliate marketing. Now, it's essential to note that affiliate marketing is not confined solely to children's ebooks. You could promote a range of children's products, such as toys, coloring books, and more, potentially leading to substantial earnings in a short span of time. Another way to monetize your channel is through Google Ads, which is the most prevalent way of earning on YouTube. Once your channel has attained a milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you become eligible to apply for an AdSense account. Upon approval, you can begin earning from your videos. With that, we come to the end of today's guide. We genuinely hope you found it enlightening and have gained new knowledge. If you have any queries or feedback, we welcome you to share them in the comment section below. Moreover, If you're yet to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications by hitting the bell icon, we encourage you to do so to ensure you don't miss out on our informative videos. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.